Okay guys, it's Monday, May 28th, Memorial Day 2018. So it's about 64 degrees here. Perfect day, perfect conditions for growing Kentucky bluegrass in the cool season zone. And I'm going to mow today with a reel mower. I've got my Toro Greensmaster 1600 here. Just put gas in it, just check the height of cut and the reel to bed knife, and it's cutting great. I want to show you something really quick. I just picked up this mower for free. It's a John Deere R92. Have no idea what that means, and I have no idea how old this is. A friend of mine's dad had this and he wanted to get it out of his garage and get out of his storage, so I picked this up. It's kind of a cool little old machine. I kind of want to take it all apart and clean it up and make it shine. So I think that would be kind of a fun project to kind of restore this and make it look cool. I'm kind of wondering if I'm going to have a problem finding parts for this. So it's an R92, a John Deere, and it's just a little, maybe like a 30-inch little mower. I don't even know how big this thing is, but so it's just kind of a fun little machine here. It's a little John Deere R92. I picked this up from a friend, and I kind of want to restore it and see if I can make it go. I'm sure I can get it started. I don't know how long it's been since it's been going. I'm sure the carb's all gummed up. Sure, it hasn't been started in lots of years, but you know, it's a cool little machine, and I think it looks like a fun project to me. So just wanted to show you that. And maybe I'll keep you updated on this one as we go along. And I don't know, I normally work on these mowers in the winter time when I don't have anything else to do lawn related. So anyways, it's a cool little mower, and I just thought I'd show you that. So it being Memorial Day 2018, I just want to say thank you to the veterans and the military people who have served or are serving or have served in the past and have paid the ultimate price for freedom. I do love living in a free country, and we have so much to be grateful for, and I just want to say thanks to those guys who have paid the price for me and for everybody else who live in free countries. So appreciate that, and with that, let's get to the mowing. So just want everybody to know that yes, it's true. I would and have mowed in the rain. So there you go, folks. Let's get on with this mow. Growth regulator on the lawn about 4 weeks ago. It really did kind of put the brakes on the lawn. And then I applied some more growth regulator yesterday actually. And the lawn is super green. It looks great. Mowing it at 5/8 of an inch. It's a nice cool day with a little bit of breeze. It's about 65 degrees and it just feels good. It's such a great place to be for me. I know it's not everybody's thing to be out mowing in the lawn, but for me, it just feels good. I can kind of unwind and think about other things and just enjoy myself here. So it's going great though. So here's the lawn, guys. I'm about, a quarter of the way done with this front section. I'm mowing and it's feeling good. Okay guys, so today's a good day, getting some mowing done. And it looks great. The lawn is green, 5/8. What a great length it is. What's up? Okay guys, got some passers-by here. They came here to say hello and to take a look at the lawn. So, Connor.
Kyle. Zach.
Zach? Good to meet you guys. So that was a couple of folks that came down from northern Idaho to play golf, and they kind of found my lawn and wanted to say hi. So that was kind of cool to see them and to talk to them, and it's nice to be able to share the lawn with other people. That's kind of why I make these videos, so other people can see it as well. So I do enjoy doing this, but I like to show it to people and talk about grass. It's fun to me, and I love to talk about grass. So anyways, I need to get back to the mowing. Okay guys, when I'm mowing, I like to start kind of right in the middle and split half and go right down the center right here, so I can try to get this side straight stripes, and then I have another chance to get this side straight, so it's not kind of striping like this eventually and getting off. So I start in the middle and go straight towards something and focus on that in the distance, and then do this side, and then I come back and do this other side. So I just need to do this little section right here. So look how dark those clouds are right there. You can see the rain falling in the distance over there. It's about 60-65 degrees, so 2 thumbs up to that, and 2 thumbs way up for cool season grass growing conditions like this. So you know what's good about my climate? It doesn't get that hot. I don't have hardly any days in the 90s. And so I'm able to grow this grass and keep it short right through the middle of summer. And a lot of people will say, you can't grow your lawn that short in the middle of summer. Well, you want to watch me do it? It's almost June 1st, and I'm cutting her at 5/8, pal. So there you go. I'm going to show you guys right in the middle of summer, the 4th of July. That's pretty much right in the middle, maybe like August 1st, mid-July. I'm going to show you that I'm going to cut this thing at 5/8, and it's going to look just as good as it always does, right in the middle of summer. So there you go. So these cool conditions, 2 thumbs up to that. Okay guys, so I just finished mowing this section. I did this 7,500 square foot, and then I did maybe about 3,000 feet over there or 4,000 feet over there or something. And this is how many clippings I cut off. So I'm doing pretty good with the 1/3 rule. It's really only cutting off about, 1/8 of an inch, some places 1/4, more so about 1/8 of an inch or so. So when you're mowing really short like I do, you have to mow a lot more often to be able to stay within the 1/3 rule. So I mowed on Saturday and today is Monday, so I was able to stay within that rule, which was really good, and that's kind of where I want to be. That's it for today. Mowed at 5/8 of an inch on Memorial Day 2018, and it's looking fantastic. So I have several patches of POA through here, and the POA is a pisser offer, and I'm not sure what to do about it. Roundup or digging it out is the only option. I don't know what I should do about it. So I hope you guys had a great Memorial Day, as good as I did. It's been a great day to spend in the lawn and with my family. I hope you guys are liking these videos. If you like it, comment below and subscribe to my channel. That lets me know that you want me to make more videos. Thanks for watching them, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, so it's super windy and it's about to rain. Black clouds everywhere. That tree broke. It's really windy out here and the tree is busted. I'm really worried about that tree coming down and hitting somebody as they walking by. Not sure what to do about that, so I don't know. I don't have a way to get up there and cut it down. I suppose I could take my ladder up there and cut it, but with my chainsaw, but I don't know. So if that's there tomorrow, I'm gonna get up there and cut her down. Look at this crazy weather. Wind, dark clouds, rain, awesome looking mountains. Cool place.